Why do you need to go to college?
Because my cousin's there, we need to make that he's okay because he's gonna die in
Where are you going?
in San Diego because that's where my college is.
Oh. Who are you going to see there?
My mom and my grandfather.
Do you have any aunts out there or uncles?
I only have an uncle because my aunt died.
What's your uncle's name?
He lives where I live, and we're both.
You're both there.
And his name's Albert, and he goes and he lives where I live. He lives with me because I need to take care of him so he doesn't die before my mom.
That's so
Because
sweet.
my mom is not my nana, my real mom.